Hey guys, in today's session, we are going to see how to install Cloud Workflow Simulator in our own laptop. There are the 4 different steps available for installing our Cloud Workflow Simulator. First step, here I am just mentioning what is the path where you will be getting this Workflow Simulator. Simply copy this path and then select any of the browser, paste it and then press enter. So this will have a Git account. So once you have the Git account, the second step is to fork this project to your own account. Now you can see this entire project is now forked into your project. Now it is changed to your own project. Now Cloud Workflow Simulator is now in your own GitHub repository. Now the third step is to download this zip file. You click on this zip file. It is my workflow simulator is already downloaded in this. You can verify where is this Cloud Workflow Simulator is available. We need to unzip this file to a particular folder in our local drive. So now we are able to successfully unzip our folder workflow sim. Now I am just trying to copy this file to my drive, any one of the drive. I just wanted to keep it in. So we are done with downloading workflow simulator. Now it is available with IDE. I am just saving this path for my reference so that I can use it anywhere. Now my job is to open the Netscape Navigator, open file, new project. So I am selecting the Java project, and then in that I just wanted to choose an option Java project with existing. I have to give some name, sample workflow project 1. I'm just giving that and then choosing this next. Now I need to select the source package. This is the important task that we need to do. Add a folder, go to add a folder, and then here I am just copying the path. Otherwise I need to navigate to the path. So my workflow is in E drive. So select this workflow master, and then I need to choose 2 of the directories. One is an example, the second one is a source. Choose the both and select open. Now press finish. So my project is now populated with the source files that I already downloaded from the workflow simulator. All these examples and the source files will be helpful for me to implement my own project. I can customize them. It is having the large population of the models examples for this cloud operations. And then second task is to configure the library files. So in order to configure the library files, I just wanted to click on this libraries, add jar folder. Now choose to our navigation to the workflow master. So E drive, workflow master, library file. I need to select all these 4 and then press open. Source package, click on this source package, and here I am having lot of the examples for several tasks. Now let me go to this workflow example and then choose any one of the workflow example 1.java, sample basic example 1.java. I will click on this file, this path, DAX path. So this DAX path will be providing the path for our workflow directory architecture. So what I am going to do is I just wanted to remove all this path and then paste the path which I already selected. So here instead of two double black slashes I can also use one forward slash. Now my project is successfully configured. I just wanted to save this and then I want to try whether it gets executed or not. Yeah, finally we are done with executing this workflow in basic example one. So this is how we can download and then install. Let me just remind you what are all the steps that we have done till now. First of all, we went to the website GitHub and then pasted that URL, download the workflow simulator zip file, unzipped that workflow simulator zip file to our local directory. Then we open the NetBeans Navigator, new project, and then in that new project we just choose project from the existing project. We selected the source and then example files from the workflow sim directory. Then we populated the library with library files which are available in a workflow simulator. Then we just configure the DAX path. In this, we just copy the D colon wherever the workflow simulator folder that we place. We just change that directory path and then we executed this file. Thank you for this session.